For repositioning frames, use the Select tool to select the area of your animation you would like to move. Choose the frame range by clicking the starting frame of your choice. Hold Shift and then click the last frame of your choice. After selecting your frames, click the Animation tab in the menu bar, and then click Reposition Selected Frames. Click and drag your animation to move around the canvas until you are satisfied with the new location. Check the boxes Reposition on other layers and select Same keyframes as selected. Afterwards, select all the layers below that you would like to reposition along the current layer. Finally, click Reposition. When scrubbing through your frames, you can now see that the previous selected drawings have moved to their new positions on the canvas.